Have you ever received a YouTube community guidelines strike for the very first time and, out of frustration, deleted the video right away? In this video, I share my personal experience with this exact situation and explain step by step how I dealt with it. My channel mainly focuses on fish-related content, but one of my videos was flagged by YouTube under graphic violence and animal abuse policies. YouTube required me to take their policy training module related to this violation. The training consisted of 7 questions with a 15-minute time limit, but the good part is that you can attempt it multiple times until you pass. And I'll walk you through them along with the correct answers provided by YouTube. Question 1. Nikhil pours salt on slugs and records a video. This is a clear violation of animal abuse policies. The correct answer is yes. Question 2. A video of a cesarean surgery is uploaded with vomiting emojis. This is considered a violation due to graphic medical content. The answer is yes. Question 3. A doctor is shown removing a scab while Tabitha explains the treatment. Surprisingly, YouTube states this is not a violation, as it is medical and educational in context. Question 4. Yolanda uploads a video showing a cow being slaughtered. This is a violation of graphic violence policies. The answer is yes. Question 5. Lily posts an image of flames with someone screaming titled "Terrible Accident in China," but without clear facts. This is a violation due to misleading and sensational content. The correct answer is yes. Question 6. Mara wears a scary mask to frighten a cat and records its reaction. This is a violation of animal abuse policies, since the incident was staged to deliberately scare the animal. Question 7. Sachiko uploads a video of an accident victim being taken to the hospital with the warning "Terrible Accident." YouTube considers this a violation due to both lack of factual details and the presence of graphic injury. After completing the training, my strike remained in place, but with the understanding that it will expire after 3 months from the date it was issued. During this time, it serves as a warning, and any second strike, whether in the same category or a different one, could lead to more severe consequences for the channel. The key takeaway is clear. Always review and follow YouTube's community guidelines carefully. Mistakes can happen, but staying informed helps us create responsibly and keep our channels safe in the long run. If you're a creator who just received a strike, don't panic. Watch this video to understand what to expect, how to complete the training, and most importantly, how to prevent it from happening again. Let's keep creating content responsibly and continue growing together.